Okay, so the question asks us to find the voltage gain of the circuit shown below, of the op-amp circuit. And so based on this circuit, we have to, in order to find the voltage gain, we have to divide this into three big steps. And then the first step is knowing the first golden rule, which is IN is equal to IP, which is equal to 0. So which means that the current flow for both of the inverting and non-inverting terminal is both 0. And since this is an op-amp with a negative feedback, we can apply the second golden rule, which is Vn is equal to Vp is equal to 0, which means that the voltage node for both of the inverting and non-inverting terminal is going to be 0 volts. And since knowing the first two golden rules that apply to this op-amp, we can now use the information to find the KCL, to use KCL to find the voltage gain. So Vp is equal to Vn, which is equal to 0. So the Vn voltage right here is going to be 0 volts. So when we ultimately try to find V0 over V output over V input, we have to do KCL, which is 0 minus Vn over 20,000 ohm. So since Vn is 0, we can consider this entire thing as 0. And then we add this value by Vi minus Vn. Vn is 0, so Vi minus 0 over 20,000 ohm, which is equal to Vn minus V0 V output, which is 0 minus V output over 100,000 ohm. And then ultimately, by calculating this equation, we get V output over V input, which is negative 5 volts over 1 volt, which is ultimately equal to negative 5.